Across the Northeast, movement never stops. From job sites to transfer stations, hook lifts and cable hoists carry the weight of the cities, day after day. And behind that steady rhythm is PALFINGER. Our hook lifts and cable hoists are built for the load, designed to handle the heavy and the mission critical. They are built to work as hard as the people who run them. At our Trenton facility, strength is built into every install. With skilled hands, every unit that rolls out is ready to work from the first lift.
The PALFINGER name is synonymous with world-class quality, so those same standards are built into every single hook lift and every cable hoist that we install here. Locally at Trenton, we match that with passion and precision. From hydraulics to welding to final inspections, every single step of the process is done with focus and pride.
When a unit rolls out, our service begins. Our customers trust PALFINGER to keep them moving, and many are close enough to stop in when it counts. Our service team knows the equipment, knows the stakes, and works fast to get them back to work.
Customers count on us, count on PALFINGER to make sure that they are moving up and running at all times. We don't just build something to build it, we build it to last.
Behind every install is someone who takes pride in delivering high-quality work. Their skill and attention to detail ensure that each hook lift and cable hoist meets the high standards customers rely on for dependable performance. From Trenton to the toughest routes in North America, PALFINGER delivers power in every lift, haul, and pull.